All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect thumbnail for your YouTube channel for a project that you've made on Final Cut Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cursor, I'm going to pull this over until I find the one that I want. And that looks pretty good. Now you can't use this big of a photo to upload, so you've got to make it smaller. So what I do is I come up here, I'll click on this, I'll go to 25%, and it makes it the perfect size for a thumbnail. And then I'm going to go Shift Command 4. I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to drag it across, and I've got the perfect aspect ratio for my thumbnail. Just let go of it. Bam, it goes right onto my desktop. Then I can come over here and I can finish my project. I didn't even start it yet. It's right here. Click on that. It's how to use the app on for this smart bird feeder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here where it says thumbnail. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go to this screenshot. I'm going to hit upload. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Got my perfect thumbnail. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.